Nigerian people, good evening, my sister. Happy new month to each and everyone listening to me right now.
Happy new month to you too.
Thank you very much.
So let's talk about Nec-computers. Tell us what we need to know about Nec-computers.
All you need to know about Nec-computers is that we are a computer training center. We train people in different aspects of computers. If you are working in industries, you are working as a marketer, in any aspect of the society, in any economy, our training will do you more good.
Okay.
That is who we are.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So, what is unique about Nec-computers? Because other people will say, oh, they can do what you've said that you do.
Nec-computer training can answer one question. People used to ask me, after the training, what can I gain? What can I do after my training? Nec-computer training, make sure we answer that questions. Okay. One, our training will enable you to do what you're able to do before. After the training in Nec-computers, you can't remain the same. A student was not able to solve mathematics. After the training, should be able to solve mathematics. That is the essence of the training. Because for you to go into a training, there is a need. And that need should be met and even exceed your expectation. Okay. That is what our training is able to do. If you are an applicant, you have been struggling to get a job. You just graduate from school, you are looking for a job. Nec-computer training should be able to help you to get a job at the end of the training. That is why our training is unique. If you have been working before, you want to increase your productivity because it's certain that you can also fix your salary. You want to increase your productivity, you can work, you can come to Nec-computers. After the training, your productivity will increase. If you are a manager or you are a company owner, you can increase the productions of your company. You can increase the revenue of your company by coming to our training. Because project management training can do everything around your business. Then our training have direct application to human life.
Okay.
In production, in engineering, academically, oil and gas, manufacturing, academics, entertainment, health, engineering, banking, our training cut across this.
Even media and journalism.
Our training cut across this.
Okay.
Our training is all encompassing. Okay. We have different training and we train you with the end in mind. We know that for you to come to do training in Nec-computers, there are something that is motivating you, and we make sure you get that. That is what our training can do. And secondly, it increases our creativity and innovations. One thing we do in Nec-computers, we do periodic update, we do periodic evaluations. For example, like in data science, we have 5 levels of data science. We have the data gathering. After data gathering, we do evaluation tests. We check you after preparation. After data preparation, after data visualization, after data modeling, we give you evaluation tests at the end of all this one. And our evaluation test is just like write a program that will do this. If you study programming, we can't tell you to write a program that will solve a problem. No. We solve the problem for you, give you the solution, ask you to use a programming language to implement these solutions. And if we teach you like 5 to 10 tools in programming, by the time you're able to solve this problem, you have used about 7 to 8 of that tools. And for you to be able to use that tools and bring out that solution, it means that you have been able to think enough in such a way that there are some centers that have been opened in your mind. And when that center is open, it cannot go back. That is why you see somebody that was able to write a particular application. By the second time or by after some time, he will improve on the applications because we tailor our training in that category. That is what our training can do. Then another thing is that we allow you to tell us how to train you.
How do you mean?
Yes. If some people come with their own problem, in fact, challenges on the fee come in different nomenclature. Somebody came with a report from pivot table in Excel and said, this is what I want to do. In that case, every other thing we do, we have to suspend it and focus on the need of the person. Okay. And make sure the person, so we allow you to bring your own problem. I asked them when they're going to do registration, why are you coming to do registration? What is driving you? When they tell us, okay, this is what I want to do, I can say, come and bring your problem. We train you based on your problem first before we can focus on our own. And secondly, our program is up to date. Our program is up to date. If you look at this manual with me, this is a MATLAB introduction to Simulink from Department of Engineering Science, University of Oxford in London. Do you know that people send their children there to go there and learn? They send their children abroad. When you come to Nec-computers do training, we look at the best universities in the world. What are they doing in engineering? What are they doing in accounting? What are they doing in science, mathematics, and other disciplines? We train, we get those. That is where we get our course aligned from. Okay. So it is what is happening in the current university that we are using. So when we get ideas from companies, people bring their problem from companies. We use that period they get from companies, the one we get from universities. We give you a balanced training. So if you go to the industry, you are a balanced person. If you go to the academic, you are a balanced person. Then the one we have gotten as an experienced people, because we have been to the field for more than 10 years, we've gotten a lot of experience. We use all of that to train you. That is why if you graduate from Nec-computers and they say you should come with 5 years experience, don't bother yourself. Go and apply. You get the job. Because we are training you with more than 10 years experience. Right. So you are more than what they are looking for. So that is why we are unique.
They'll be able to prove, themselves.
Yes, those and other reasons are the reason why we are unique.
All right. How can we get in touch with Nec-computers?
You can get in touch with Nec-computers, but by coming to our ultramodern training center, located at number 14 Rumuola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Number 14 Rumuola Road, Honeymoon Plaza, here in the city of Port Harcourt. Or you call our telephone number on 080 325 77932, 080 325 77932, or you call the second number on 070 1833 5128, 070 1833 5128, 080 325 77932. 14 Rumuola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. And our training are less expensive. We have a high quality training, but we make sure the price is affordable so everybody can come in.
Interesting. Now,
yes.
Who is the program meant for, your training programs?
Everybody. You are an applicant. In fact, everybody. If you have the desire to grow forward, our training is meant for you. Everybody can come for the training. If you are a student, you are just writing an exam, or you are about to enter universities, or you are in the university, or you are working, or you are an employee, an employer, a pastor, everybody should come to Nec-computers. And our training cut across in this education curriculum. We have a training that affects life. Anybody, in fact, if you have a children that is going to university or is traveling abroad, send him to Nec-computers first to teach us project management. When we teach them project management, they can be on their own anywhere they are. Okay. Our training is divided into 7 different departments. The first department is the computer design department, where we train people on AutoCAD, Revit architecture, 3D Max, AutoPlan, Star Pro, Orion, SolidWorks, and Civil 3D. We have the second one, the oil and gas department, where we train people on PDMS, Aspen HISIS, process piping, petroleum expert suits, piping instrument diagram, piping assembly, pipe flow diagram. We have the third department, the programming software department, where we train people on basic programming, QBasic and Visual Basic, C#, C++, Java, Python, MATLAB, Simulink, PHP, mobile application development, software development, coding and robotics, UI, UX, web development and hosting, artificial intelligence and machine learning, deep learning, data science, cloud computing, and other ones. We have the fourth department, the computer networking department, where we train people on C network M+, CCNA, CCNP, laptop and desktop repair, maintenance, system installation, and other ones. We have the fifth department, where we have desktop project and graphic design department. We train on basic computer, deployment computer, secretarial studies, and other ones.
How many departments in total?
7. Then we have the project management department, where we train you Primavera, P6, Microsoft project, enterprise project structure, building design and engineering, all of them. And preparation for PMP training, we do all of that in Nec-computers.
Give us your contact details one more time.
You can come to our office by going to our ultramodern training center located at number 14 Rumuola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Number 14 Rumuola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Or you call 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. Or the second number on 070 1833 5128. 070 1833 5128.
All right, Engineer Nweasa Temple from Nec-computers. Always a pleasure having you here.
Thank you very much. You are welcome.
All right.